2-point DC drive sizing machine. This is a sizing machine for preparing a weaver's beam from warper's beam produced on the warping machine. The machine is provided with horizontal creel. This machine is equipped with double size box so that 50% of the warp threads are taken into one size box and the remaining 50% are taken into second size box. Both the size boxes are also equipped with size circulation system with the help of a reservoir and size circulating pump to ensure uniform level of the size material in the size box to get uniform size pickup along the length of the sized warp sheet. The size box is also provided with stainless steel cover for longer life. All the cylinders are driven with the single chain to avoid any difference in tension in the sized warp sheet coming from both the size boxes. The PIV is used for controlling the tension between the drying cylinder and the drag roller. Moisture indicator is provided with 3 sensors mounted immediately after the drying cylinder for sensing the moisture content in the sized warp sheet. Drying cylinders are provided with steam connections on one side of the sizing machine, whereas the drive is given on the other side. All the steam traps are connected to same condensate pipe to take back the condensate back to the boiler. The driven cylinders also give drive to the size box through oil immersed chain PIV. In the drying cylinder zone, safety valves are also provided so that excess pressure is released for the safety of drying cylinders. Expansion comb of zigzag type is provided for adjusting the working width at the headstock. On both the sides, push button stations are provided for operating the machines from either side. Counter is also provided to indicate length on the weaver's beam. On one side of the headstock, different counters are provided to show ampere or voltage of the main motor and winder motor. At the headstock floor, mounted pneumatic pressing device is provided which exerts the pneumatic pressure on the weaver's beam with the help of a pair of beam pressing rollers working on a set of taper straight rollers. Separate DC motor drives the weaver's beam. Since 2 motors are used in this sizing machine, this is known as 2-point DC drive sizing machine.